always got it planned out. Ain't nobody hand me shit, but always got their hands out. Save a couple bands up and bought the rubber bands out. Hit me with the supercharged, did it just to stand out. Damn, I was just trapping at my man's house, sleeping on my man's couch, sold him till we ran out. Now just listen as I twist my weed. I ain't never met a bitch I need. Got the pink slip, this whip ain't rented. All black with the windows tinted. In the way the bucket seats recline, it can fit at least 4 bitches. In my pocket got a meat roll in it.
Smoke with the charger. What's good, YouTube? It's Rover with the charger. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm gonna be going to try to get my sound system installed. Yeah, I gotta go purchase a sound system and then get it installed. And my boy Trap behind the cam, he actually going to get his sound system installed today. So I'm gonna go pull up on a man that's doing his. I'm gonna see if he can do mine at the same time. So I think I'm gonna go with some 10s. I want the 2 10s or 2 12s. I do 2 12s. The amp box. I'm gonna get everything right now and installed. So we'll see how this goes. See if we see how much it costs us. I'm not even really tripping on the cost because I really want to get it done. So that was next on the list. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get the sound system installed. And we're gonna see how this go. I never had no sound system installed in my car before. So this should be dope. So y'all make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, drop a comment below, share the video with your friends. Smoke with the charge. Word. Oh, what's up, dog? What's up? Oh. He don't like your vibe. He don't like your vibe. Right now in my area, trying to get some sound installed. Alright, Trap about to get his done first. Then I'm gonna try to get mine installed. 2 12s. What you getting installed of yours?
10s. I was gonna do 12, but the box I got for the pickup truck is 10.
So bro getting the 10s installed. I'm trying to get 2 12s installed. So tomorrow at the car show we're gonna be beating. Hopefully I got some new mods to my car like everybody else had on theirs last week. Oh, what's good, boy? How you, bro? You getting some shit done to yours too? Word. Everybody getting some shit, huh? He already did it? What's these? Yeah, my shit too low, bro. I got that factory radio in there. I can still hear niggas talking in the car. Like, nah, hell nah. Me too. Trav just went and got some CVR kickers. Yeah, this shit is crazy. Yeah, my sister put it. I think it's 10s. 10s? You guys should get some 10s or 12? 12. These are the speakers I think I'm gonna go with. 2 12s. My factory radio way too low. I ain't even gonna lie, I hate this factory radio. I hate it. That shit go under my seat. Oh, $10. Fire. Put them in the door.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be hard. You still gonna have the black around it like that, or it's just gonna be the words? I don't know what happened, but I came outside and look. I don't know what this about. My whole side screen, you know. It looked like whoever sold it to me, he might have zip tied it and tried to glue it up. It only lasted for this long. But all this really right here about to do is motivate me to go get my SRT8 grill. I mean my SRT up there. I want to get the SRT front bumper, side skirts, and I want to do the back bumper. So I think that was just confirmation. I think it was confirmation.
Damn, but should've.
Hopefully I'll stay until I get home. My brother. Oh, so you get a better view right there too. So you get a better view right there when you open that back door too. Better than it just was. Try to pull it off. That's good for now, right? Hello. Clutch. Yo. Just hitting up. They installed 3 systems since I've been out here. Been out for probably like 2.5 hours. They did 3 systems. So hopefully mine might be next. Then they over here working on trash. They working on trash systems right now. So right now, he installing the speakers into the box. That's fire. Your box ain't gonna take no space up? That's gangster. I wish mine could go under my seat. Or what is that you doing?
Running in a 2-ohm. That's the more convenient way to run these speakers. I know that for a fact.
Okay.
That's how I got mine in my truck. We'll be running them in 1 ohm inch like that, but that's putting a lot of power. If you drain batteries, it's more efficient. It runs good.
Okay. I see we out here right now. 12s in the back for me. Trav just went and got his 12. No, Trav got some 10s. Trav went and got some 10s and started his with the box. Under the seat, it's crazy. I wish mine went under the seat because you can't even really see his box at all. My box probably take up a bunch of room in my trunk. But it's not even automatic, it's
sounds so good. So we've been out here for probably like, it's 5:18. We've been out here for probably like good 4 hours now. Good 4 hours, but it's all worth it, especially when we're talking about the car. So. Shout out to my boy Sean too on the upgrade. You got to really hear what it sounds like.
Hard part getting it done.
What?
Yeah. Can't gotta run shit because it's all in the trunk.
One channel, bass amp.
We damn near done. It was way quicker than Trav shit. Trav looked out with the amp. It's my first system too. Very first system. So we about to see how this go. I hope that shit not. First system, going in right now. Let's see what we get. It's beating. Y'all make sure y'all tune in to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like the video, drop a comment, share with your friends. Roll with the Charger, man. Subscribe to the channel.